Thanks very much. There's another song called The Dark-Eyed Sailor. Here you go. As I went to walking one evening fair, it being the summer to take the air, I spied a fair maid and a sailor boy, and I stood to listen, and I stood to listen to hear what they might say. Well, he said, young maid, why do you roam? The day been long and the night been cold. Well, she heaved a sigh and the tears did fall for my dark-eyed sailor, for my dark-eyed sailor who plows the stormy sea. Before my William went off to sea, one half of a ring he did leave with me, and one half of the ring, it's still here with me, and the other's rolling, and the other's rolling at the bottom of the sea. He said, young maid, why do you cry? For another fair sailor you surely would find, for love turns aside and it soon grows cold, like a winter's morning, like a winter's morning. The hills are white with snow. Well, she said, I'll not forsake my dear, although we're parting for many's the year. For genteel was he, not a rake like you, to induce the maiden, to induce the maiden to slide the jacket blue. Well, one half of the ring did young William show, and she ran distracted with grief and woe, saying, William, William, I have gold in store for my dark-eyed sailor, for my dark-eyed sailor, for he has come home again. Well, there is a cottage by yonder lea, the couple live there and do agree. So maids, be true when your love's at sea, for a stormy morning, for a stormy morning brings on a sunny day. Thanks very much.